Don't throw away your old shoe. Just hang one in your garden. Add one simple ingredient, and pests will disappear overnight. Take a single old shoe, a sneaker, boot, or slipper will work. The natural human scent left inside helps keep away unwanted animals. Use a rope or string and hang this shoe on a tree branch, garden pole, or near your vegetable bed. One shoe is enough to protect a big area. Now crush 3 to 4 cloves of fresh garlic and place them inside the shoe. As the wind blows, garlic's strong aroma spreads through the garden, repelling ants, flies, mosquitoes, and even harmful moths. This simple trick, one old shoe plus garlic, creates a natural shield around your plants. No chemicals, no sprays, just pure protection. So don't throw away that old shoe. Hang it in your garden, add garlic, and watch your plants stay safe, strong,